In a quiet little village, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling brook, stood an old church with a bell tower that reached up to the sky. The church was old and weathered, but its bell was still strong and clear. One sunny morning, a group of children gathered around the church, curious about the bell. They had heard stories of its mysterious sound, and they wanted to hear it for themselves. "Ring the bell, please," said the oldest child, a brave boy named Timmy. The church door creaked open, and they climbed the steep steps to the bell tower. Timmy reached the top of the tower, and with a mighty pull, he rang the bell. The sound was loud and beautiful, echoing through the village. The children listened, their eyes wide with wonder. Suddenly, a soft glow appeared around the bell. It was shimmering like gold, and the children gasped in surprise. The glow grew brighter, and the children could see an image of a saint, dressed in white, standing before them. "I am Saint Peter," the image said. "I have been watching over this village for centuries. Today, I have a special gift for you." The children were astonished. Saint Peter told them that he would give them a gift of kindness, wisdom, and courage to help them grow and make the world a better place. The children thanked him, their hearts filled with joy. The image faded away, and the bell stopped ringing. The children climbed down from the tower, their minds buzzing with excitement. They had witnessed a miracle, and they felt a new sense of purpose. From that day on, the children treated each other with kindness, shared their toys, and helped those in need. They remembered the mysterious bell, and the gift it had given them. And every time they heard the bell, they knew Saint Peter was watching over them, guiding them on their journey. The end.